Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. Place the towel on the windshield beneath the wiper arm to protect the glass from accidental drops or scratches. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll find a small tab or button on the connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. It might require a little wiggle. Once detached, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the towel on the windshield. Remember, never let the bare metal arm snap back against the glass, as it could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are in place, carefully lower both wiper arms back down onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe how they perform, ensuring they clear the windshield smoothly and without leaving any streaks or missed spots. If everything looks good, you're all set. For more great content and deals, check the description below. You'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there, along with other helpful resources. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.